My pumpkin and tomato soup is the perfect soup for the fall season and super easy to make. Start by peeling the pumpkin, then coring it, taking out all the guts and cutting it into cubes. Place it on a large sheet pan lined with parchment paper, and then add in the onion, some bulbs of garlic, pieces of celery, and then drizzle all the veggies with olive oil. Sprinkle on some salt, and then set it aside. Similarly, we'll prepare the tomatoes by cutting the Roma tomatoes in half, placing them in a baking tray, sprinkling them with salt and oregano. Drizzle with olive oil, and then place the tomatoes and the tray of veggies in the preheated oven. While they're roasting, I like to toast the seeds with some olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, and some salt. Stir that together, and then add in the seeds, which I've washed and dried well. Toss them in the oil mixture until they're well coated, and then toast them in an air fryer or toaster oven at 350 until golden. Once the vegetables are nice and roasted, remove the bulbs of garlic from the pan and then transfer the rest of the veggies into a large Dutch oven. You'll also want to add the roasted tomatoes with all that delicious juice and the bulbs of garlic, squeezing them to release the cloves. Pour the broth over the roasted veggies, making sure that all the veggies are in the broth, and then simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Release the loosened tomato skin and then add in the tomato paste. You'll want to whisk that into the broth and then simmer for another 10 minutes. Take off the heat and then use an immersion blender to blend the soup until nice and smooth. Make sure to taste the soup and then adjust your seasoning accordingly. Now you're ready to serve this delicious pumpkin tomato soup with a dollop of sour cream, your toasted pumpkin seeds, and some fresh herbs like cilantro or dill. Thanks for watching. Make sure to get the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.